Welcome to the SCT Chemicals Factory in Jebel Ali, Dubai, a one-of-a-kind facility. Over 15 years, we've perfected our innovative production approach, achieving an unparalleled level of zero defects. At SCT Chemicals, we manufacture globally recognized brands. Our commitment to innovation and quality has driven our success. Our factory is a testament to our dedication to excellence.
The most important in our production is the consistency and the high precision that we sustain by the following methods. First is the full automation that we follow in the major production stages to avoid any human error. Second is the application of picking systems that we have to avoid cross-contamination. And third is the triple testing protocol that we follow to check incoming raw materials, blending samples, and final product samples.
Our factory is divided into 8 departments, each meticulously designed to uphold our key principles. Let's explore each of them. Our tank farm houses 101 tanks, offering a massive storage capacity of 20,350 tons of liquid. Each tank is equipped with advanced sensors that monitor fill levels, temperature, density, and many other critical parameters, ensuring optimal storage conditions. This is our discharge unit, equipped with a weighbridge for precise measurements, a steaming station for handling viscous products, and 8 discharge stations, all fitted with pigging systems to prevent contamination. But what exactly is a pigging system? Pigging is a highly advanced and precise system that cleans pipes by pushing a pig through them, ensuring no liquid is left behind. This process maintains the purity of our products and the integrity of our systems. Our blending processes utilize advanced technology. 2 state-of-the-art 7 reactors dissolve and mix solids into fluids with extreme heat and high-performance engines. Additionally, 4 fully automated chemical reactors dose ingredients with high-accuracy mass meters, ensuring precision and consistency. This is where it all begins. The control room oversees all automated processes, from inputting product formulas to initiating the blending process. In our industry-leading laboratory, we rigorously test every incoming product before discharging, after each mixing process, and before the final batch is filled. Our state-of-the-art control system ensures that no product is pumped without lab approval, guaranteeing the highest standards of quality and safety. Our factory utilizes fully automated blow-molding double-station machines for in-house high-quality HDPE bottle production in 1, 4, 5, and 20-litre sizes, ensuring that our packaging meets the highest standards. Additionally, we are equipped with fully automated PET bottle production line designed for special products that require PET packaging due to its specific technical parameters. This is the filling stage, where products are carefully measured and packaged. The unit includes 5 stations for drums and 1,000-litre IBCs, 2 automated lines for 1, 4, and 5-litre packages, and 2 lines for 20-litre packages. Pigging systems ensure precision in every dose. Our facility includes 5,200 square meters of space dedicated to storing empty packaging and raw materials, ensuring everything is ready for dispatch. The SCT Chemicals Factory in Jebel Ali is built with the latest technology to ensure stable, error-free production. With our advanced quality control, automation, and pigging systems, we deliver excellence in every product.